Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a transfer from Wise to Scotiabank. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just open up your Wise bank or app, and here you will see the steps that you need to take to do a transfer. Then after you open it, just click on the payments. Here in the payments tab you will need to click on the send button. Here you will need to select a currency, and here click on the bank details. After that, select who's your recipient, so I will select someone else. And here you will see that you can enter full name of account holder, sort code, and account number. If you don't have a sort code, you can select on local bank account here, click on that one, and the drop down menu will come down, and you will see that you can select IBAN or SWIFT code. So select one of those, enter the info that you need to enter it, and after that you will need to click continue on the green button. You will see the amount, and you will be able to put amount that you want to send, and that's pretty much it. After that you'll click continue, you will see the information that you want to verify it, and that's pretty much it, and you will be able to send the money. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.